Hello, good morning class. Today I am going to start your exercise 1F of chapter rational numbers. Right, question number 1. Find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. What you have to do? You simply add the two numbers and what the answer comes, divide it by 2. Here you see 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Taking the LCM of 4 and 3, which is 12, and your answer is 7 upon 24. Means 7 upon 24 is the number which is in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Second and third are almost same. Next is your question number 4. Find two rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. What you have to do? Simple add the two numbers and divide it by 2. That is 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus minus plus, that is minus 5 by 2. It means minus 5 by 2 is in between minus 3 and minus 2. Next, the other rational number, we have to find it in between minus 3 and minus 5 by 2 or minus 5 by 2 and minus 2. So here I am finding it between minus 3 and minus 5 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 2. Taking the LCM, the value comes here is minus 11 by 4, which is the rational number between minus 3 and minus 5 by 2. Question number 5 and question number 6 are almost same. Do it by your own. Don't do question number 7 and question number 8. Next is your exercise 1G. Exercise 1G, question number 1. From a rope 11 meter long, two pieces of length 2 3 by 5 meter and 3 3 by 10 meter are cut off. What is the length of the remaining rope? Okay, we have a total length of the rope which is 11 meter. Two pieces are cut from it. Let the two pieces be this and this. You have to add it and subtract it from the total. We are doing so. 11 minus 2 3 by 5 plus 3 3 by 10. Adding it, we get the value 59 upon 10. Now taking the LCM and we got the value 51 upon 10. Convert it into mixed fraction. We got the value 5 1 by 10 meter. Next is your question number 2. A drum full of rice weighs 41 by 6 kg. If the empty drum weighs 13 3 by 4 kg, what is the weight of the rice in the drum, right? It is very easy. The total weight of the drum is given, the empty weight of the drum is given. Let's subtract it from the total weight, that is 41 by 6 is subtracted from 13 3 by 4. You get the weight of the rice in the drum. Very easy. Now question number 3. A basket contains 3 type of fruits weighing 19 3 1 by 3 kg in all. If 8 1 by 9 kg of these were apples, 3 1 by 6 kg be orange and the rest were pears, what is the weight of the pears in the basket? Okay, total weight is given 19 1 by 3, weight of the apple is given, weight of the orange is given. What you have to do? The total weight 19 1 by 3 minus the sum of 8 1 by 9 plus 3 1 by 6. The answer which comes is the weight of the pears. Right. Next is your question number 4. On one day, a rickshaw puller earns rupees 160. Out of his earning, he spent 26 3 by 5 on tea and snacks, 51 by 2 on food, 16 2 by 5 on repairs of the rickshaw. How much did he save on that day? Okay, we have to find it saving. The total money he earned is rupees 160. He spent on rickshaw, I spend on tea and snacks, right? He spend on food. So what we have to do? The total one is subtracted from his expenditures, means 26 3 by 5 plus 51 by 2 plus 16 2 by 5. The sum of that is subtracted from 160. Taking the LCM, solve it, we got the value 66 1 by 2 rupees. Right? Next is your question number 5. Question number 5. Find the cost of 3 2 by 5 meters of cloth at the rate of 63 3 by 4 per meter. It is very easy. Simple multiplication is performed. Next is your question number 6. A car is moving at an average speed of 62 by 5 km per hour. How much distance it can cover in 6? 1 by 4 hours. Okay. Here we see average speed is given, time is given. we have to find the distance. Speed is equals to distance upon time is the formula. Here we are applying this formula. We have to find the distance, means distance is equals to speed into time. Speed is multiplied with time. There is a cross multiplication, means 62 by 5 into 61 by 4. Simple multiplication is performed. We got the value 377, 1 by 2 kilometer. Next is your question number 7. Find the area of the rectangular park whose length and breadth is given. It is also very easy. Simple area you have to find out. Multiply length and breadth. You get the answer of the area. Similarly for question number 8. Find the area of the square plot whose one side measures 8 1 by 2 meters. Here also side into side is the calculation. Next is your question number 9. Question number 9 says 1 liter of a petrol costs 63.3 by 4 rupees. What is the cost of 34 liters? You have to simply multiply 63.3 by 4 with 34, right? Next is your question number 10. An aeroplane covers 1020 kilometer in an hour. Okay. How much distance it can cover in 4 1 by 6 hours? In 1 hour, it can cover 1020 kilometers, right? So, how much distance it can cover in 4 1 by 6 hours? So, for 4 1 by 6 hours, we multiply it by 1020 into 4 1 by 6. Simple calculation is performed and the distance covered is 4250 kilometers. Right? If there is any doubt in this video, ask me. Thank you, class.